Grandma, open the door, please. Please open the door. Mom, Dad, what's wrong with Grandma? Take her to the hospital now.
Help! My mom needs to go to the emergency room! Her oxygen is low. We need to intubate.
Vitals are dropping, doctor.
Mask is on. Monitor her closely.
Grandma, open the door, please. Grandma, it's me, Vanessa and Eli. We brought many gifts for you.
Why hasn't Mom opened the door yet?
Grandma, can you hear us? Please open the door. Something doesn't feel right. Mom, can you hear us?
Check bedroom now.
Mom, are you inside? Why Grandma so quit? I think Grandma is sleeping. Grandma, please wake up. We come to visit you. Mom, Dad, what's wrong with Grandma? Jessen, take her to the hospital now.
Megan, help me! Kids, open the car doors! Help! My mom needs to go to the emergency room! We have to hurry!
What's wrong with her? Bring her in here, quickly.
All right. I laid her down on the bed.
She didn't answer the door.
Her oxygen is low. We need to intubate.
Vitals are dropping, doctor.
Mask is on. Monitor her closely.
Heart rate is stabilizing.
Good. Keep the drip steady.
Please wait outside. I will call you when she's stable.
We are waiting here.
Grandma will be okay, right? Please be okay, Granda. Please wake up soon. Mom, Grandma is strong. Yes, Grandma will be all right.
Her condition is stable now. You may come in.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Mom, we're here.
Grandma, the whole family is here with you. Please wake up, Grandma. We brought many things for you. Oh, everyone is here. What happened? Grandma, we were worried so much. We came to visit you, but you didn't answer the door. We found you lying in bed. Mom, please take care of yourself and rest more. You also need to eat a balanced diet.
I understood, and I'm sorry for making you worry.
If you feel tired, call us anytime.
Yes, we will come to you right away. Thank you, my little darlings.
Older people need care, love, and attention every day. Please love your grandparents while you can. Take care, and see you again next time.